Guys, crush life is a man, talk and do. Are you seeing it? So you have abandoned their crush life. Even me also, I abandoned it for some days. Yeah, because of their new updates. But in today's video, I want to show you that you should go and dust your crush life and start over again because they have updated their policy. Yes, if it is the reason because of the small reward they are now giving, they are no longer giving their 3,000, there is a solution for it. Okay, solution has come and I'm going to show you the solution in this video. So when their policy came new, they said that you need to gift yourself before you can be claiming the reward again, and it was high at that time. 50,000 diamond is what you need to get before you can continue. Yeah, either 50 or 45 before you can continue performing your tax. But now they have reduced it drastically. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you, yeah, I'm going to show you if what they said is truly true or not. Yeah, so join me. Let me go to my room right now. Okay, let me gift myself because they said here in tax. Let me click on my tax and show you what they write here. They said that when I click on this 600 question mark, they said if your income the last 7 days is 7,500 diamond, you can reactivate the advanced free tax, rewarding 3,000 per day. So I'm going to gift myself right now to know if this my tax will change, because here now I'm receiving 600. So I'm going to gift myself, go to my party now and see if I gift myself now, if this my reward will change or not. Okay, let me start party. Yeah, I'm in my room right now, so I'm going to go ahead and gift myself. It's a self-gifting app. Okay, you don't need to look for people that you do exchange with. You just need to gift yourself. So let me look for 10,000 and gift myself. Yeah, love magic. 10,000. Let me send it to myself. Yeah, 7,000. Let me send 1,000 again so that it will correspond with that 7,005 they right there. Blooming love, 7,700. That is what I'm having right now. They said it's 7,500. So let me click on my tax and see if it has changed or not. Voila, guys! Crush life is a way, man. Talk and do. Are you seeing it? So I can start receiving my 3,000 per day. Are you seeing it? Go live 1,000, then party for 2 hours. I'll receive 2,000, making it 3,000. Okay, and this lasts for how many days? Let me check how many days it will last. Yeah, it's for 14 days. So guys, for 15 days. Yeah, it's for 15 days because we have already we're already on day one. So this will last for 15 good days. Yeah. So go and dust your crush life and start working again, okay? Just buy coin. This coin I bought is coin of 14,000. Yeah, bought coin of 14,000 or 12,000. Gift yourself and you start performing your task again. And if you have not joined Crush Life, what are you waiting for? Click the link at my comment section or my description and join Crush Life right now, okay? At least as a newbie, you're receiving the 3,000 daily, okay? Yeah, once they tell you to upgrade, you also buy coin and upgrade. And even before then, if you buy coin, play game, gamble, gift yourself, or even if you didn't play game or gamble, just buy coin, gift yourself, they will not bring you down. You'll just continue getting your 3,000 and be going. Okay, so that's it though, guys. That's it. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Disclaimer, this video is just for educational purpose, sharing my reviews and my experience on the apps that I'm using. Please make sure that you make your research before joining any app. All right, earnings may vary, bear that in mind. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to be seeing more legit earning apps like this. Bye guys, see you on my next one.